5 easy and quick breakfast for any occasion. Preparation in 5 to 15 minutes. Let's go! Hello everyone, you're on an Easy Eat Studio channel. My name is Mark. Like you all, I don't have enough time for cooking and especially for a breakfast. Sometimes I want to sleep extra 15 to 30 minutes, but the breakfast gives us an energy for all day long. For me and for all my family, there is nothing more important than a healthy and delicious breakfast. I don't have much time, so today I will show you 5 simple and quick breakfasts that have saved me times and times again. Whatever you enjoy, a sweet breakfast, light breakfast or something heavier, you're sure to find something interesting in our videos. And if you watch till the end, you'll find out what of these breakfast options is my and my family's favorite. Friends, and one important note, our channel still growing and we investing a lot of time and a lot of our energy into bring our videos more interesting and make delicious recipes. We've been delighted if you subscribe to our channel, like and comment. This will help us know that we are not alone and you too interested in our videos. Recipe 1. Banana snakes. Slice the banana and place it to a parchment paper. Spread a small amount of peanut butter on each slide. Melt the chocolate in a microwave at 400 watts. Stirring every 30 seconds. Cover each one with the chocolate. Sprinkle with chopped peanuts. And freeze 1 hour in a freezer. Now our banana snacks are ready. Enjoy! Recipe 2. Nutella pancakes. Place the Nutella on parchment paper and place in the freezer for 15 minutes. Sieve dry ingredients into a large bowl. Add other ingredients and whisk well. Cover the dough and let it rest for a few minutes. Now our pancakes are ready. Enjoy! Recipe 3. Rice toasters. Mash the avocado and egg in a bowl. Add olive oil, salt and seasonings. We use black pepper. I like it a little bit spicy. Mix it all together. Again, I will add some slice of cucumber. Take 2 rice cakes and spread them with hummus. Top with the avocado and eggs mixture. Add slices of cucumber and sesame seeds. Enrich your breakfast with nuts and added fruits. And that's all. Recipe number 4. English toast. Press the middle of the bread. For the first toast, mix the yogurt and an egg in a bowl. Pour the mixture over the bread. And garnish with the red berries. For the second toast, add the egg, salt, pepper, ham, and cheese. Bake it in the oven at 170 degrees for 10 minutes. Our English toasts are ready. Enjoy! Recipe 5. Club sandwich. Beat 2 eggs. Let them soak through one side. And then flip. Place slice of cheese. And cover and take out from heat. Cut avocado, tomato, and a salad. Place cherry and avocado and add some salad. And follow this one. And now we are ready. Well, friends, we have prepared 5 completely different breakfasts, each taking between 5 to 15 minutes. Time to try them all and give you our opinion. I think you can use less flour because it's not very soft. In this recipe we used 99% of cacao chocolate. You can try less because it's very strong. You can use less. I think it will be great. It's very good, soft and creamy. Very good, yeah. In the comments, tell us which one of the breakfast do you prefer. Let's go next. I think it will be the greatest too. Yeah. And this one? Yeah. I really don't like hummus too much, but here in this recipe, I love it. Club sandwich. Yeah, it's good. But I think that in that recipe, you need a little bit more sauce. And my favorite breakfast is rice avocado toast. It's very nutritious and it will give me energy until next meal. But I think my family will prefer something like this or something like this, because my wife very loves a sweetie breakfast. It's what unites us. I wish your loved ones would say to you, let's make breakfast together. Watch other our videos on our YouTube channel. Bye bye. Bye bye.